The crocodile, a majestic reptile, is a fascinating creature that has roamed the earth for millions of years. Found primarily in Africa, Asia, and the Americas, these prehistoric-looking creatures are not only impressive in size, but also possess unique biological features that set them apart from other reptiles. Their bony plates, called scutes, provide protection against attacks from predators, while their waterproof skin allows them to swim effortlessly in water. Crocodiles are equipped with nostrils and ears on the top of their heads, which can close to prevent water from entering while underwater. One of the most intriguing aspects of the crocodile is their ability to remain submerged underwater for extended periods. This is due to their specialized lung system, which allows them to breathe and conserve oxygen. Crocodiles are also known for their excellent memory, with some studies suggesting that they can remember individuals encountered up to 20 years ago. This memory, combined with their ambush predator strategy, makes them one of the deadliest creatures in the water. While often feared, crocodiles play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. They help control the populations of other species, contributing to a healthier and more diverse environment. Contrary to popular belief, most crocodile species are not aggressive towards humans unless provoked. However, they are still dangerous and should be respected from a safe distance. In recent years, crocodile populations have been declining due to habitat loss and hunting for their skin. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these ancient creatures and preserve them for future generations to marvel at. In conclusion, the crocodile is a remarkable creature with a long history and unique biological adaptations. Whether you find them terrifying or fascinating, there's no denying the importance of these prehistoric predators in the world's ecosystems.